Let me show you how to install and also use your throttle on your DUOTTS F26 e-bike. By the way, also if you are looking to get this bike, I have extra €100 coupons that you can use on the DUOTTS official website to get extra €100 off. So simply enter UVTech F26. Also, if you follow the special discount link in the description, you'll also receive it with a bunch of free accessories as well. And when you receive your e-bike, it actually won't come with the throttle installed. Instead, in the box, the throttle will be included separately. So if you want to install it, you can install it. So this is actually what it looks like. And to install the throttle, we first have to remove this handlebar grip. So take your hand, take your other hand over here and simply wiggle it off. So it simply pulls off, and the first time you actually pull it off, it takes actually significant amount of force to pull it off. So again, simply like use quite a lot of force to pull it off. So you see there are no screws that keeps in place, so it's simply like very stiff. On the throttle, as you see, you have this one bolt over here that we can use to fasten it to the handlebar. So let's put it on, so positioned like this, and simply slide it on. And then we have to fasten our throttle, so I'm going to use this tool that's also included if you follow the special discount link. So take that bolt and simply lightly fasten it till it's secure, so it doesn't move anywhere. And inside the box you will also find this extra handlebar grip that is considerably smaller, and this actually goes with our new throttle. So let's put this on. So again, use quite a bit of force as it's obviously quite stiff. Okay, and then we needed to leave it around this, so we still have maybe like a 2mm gap between the grip and the throttle, so we can actually freely move it. So about this distance from the grip and the throttle would be fine, so you see it freely moves. And on the throttle we also have this connector over here. Also on your e-bike there will be also one spare connector that we can use to connect the throttle to. So it had a cap basically that you have to remove it. I have lost mine already somewhere. As you see on this connector we have a tiny arrow here, and on the other end simply again find that arrow and simply push them together at that mark. And that's it. So you see how incredibly easy it was. And to actually use your throttle, so there is no additional setup. So once you install it, it will be ready to be used. And once you actually twist this throttle, essentially your bike will accelerate. Also make sure your assist level is at least 1 before the throttle actually will work. So if you have it 0, the throttle actually won't work. So again, use the plus button over here to at least put it in assist level 1. Otherwise again the throttle actually won't work. And using the throttle on the bike is extremely easy. So all you will do is you simply twist it and the bike will take off. By the way, also the throttle has a soft start as well, which is very nice. So essentially if your bike is standing still like at the moment, so if I were to twist my throttle, the bike will actually use a soft start to gently accelerate. But after a couple of seconds it will take up the full speed and full power to accelerate you. Then also if your bike is already in movement, so it already moves, if you use a throttle you will get instant acceleration on this. And personally actually I use a throttle for maybe like 98% of my rides, so I actually prefer the throttle over the pedal system, so it's way more fun essentially that way. Again, if you want to get this bike much cheaper, simply follow the special discount links in the description. Also don't forget to enter the coupon UVTech F26 to get extra €100 off. Again, if you follow that link you also receive a bunch of free accessories with the bike as well. Good luck.